Hello everybody, my name is LegoEJMGooGoo. Today, I'm going to do a mock review of this custom-made Lego train station. Okay, so let's take a look at this train station. So let's look at this section first. So as you can see, this station comes with its own lamp, a garbage can, seats for passengers, and a newsstand. This newsstand has newspapers, of course, has a worker, has bottles and drinks just in case the passengers get a little thirsty or hungry. This section also has fences and a line so passengers can stay away from the platform edge. Alright, now we can look at this part right here. So once again, it has a line to stay away from the platform edge. We have passengers and more seats and a worker to put luggages in the lugging cart when the train arrives. We have a Lego City map. This section also has a building with a clock, doors, and windows. So let's see the inside by just pulling the roofs off. So as you can see, it comes with the inside has chairs and a office station table, so passengers can go there and get their tickets. And the table has a computer, a newspaper, and a lamp. And over here you can pull this window off to see the inside better. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this review. I hope it helped you in some way. If it did, please leave a like, share, subscribe, comment, and ask questions. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.